U.S. Supreme Court hands Christian bakers win in same-sex case, vacates lower court. Written by Michael Faust. The U.S. Supreme Court Tuesday handed religious liberty advocates a victory Monday when it vacated a lower court's opinion that had ordered a Christian baker to design a cake for a same-sex wedding. At issue was a ruling by the Oregon Court of Appeals that upheld a state decision forcing Aaron and Melissa Klein to pay a $135,000 penalty after they refused to design a cake celebrating a wedding for a lesbian couple. The Kleins eventually closed their business, known as Sweet Cakes by Melissa. The U.S. Supreme Court Tuesday issued a one-paragraph order vacating the judgment and sending it back down to the Oregon Court of Appeals. The petition for a writ of certiorari is granted. The judgment is vacated, and the case is remanded to the Court of Appeals of Oregon for further consideration in light of Masterpiece Cake Shop, Limited v. Colorado Civil Rights Common. The unsigned order read: Masterpiece was a 2018 ruling in which the Supreme Court sided with a Colorado baker who refused to design a wedding cake for a gay couple. Former Supreme Court Justice Anthony Kennedy ruled the Colorado Civil Rights Commission demonstrated hostility toward religion when it ordered bakery owner Jack Phillips to design the cake. The Kleins are represented by First Liberty Institute. This is a victory for Aaron and Melissa Klein and for religious liberty for all Americans, said Kelly Shackelford, president and CEO of First Liberty. The Constitution protects speech, popular or not, from condemnation by the government. The message from the court is clear: government hostility toward religious Americans will not be tolerated. First Liberty had hoped the Supreme Court would hear oral arguments and expand on its Masterpiece decision. The High Court, though, punted on that decision. First Liberty filed suit after the Oregon Bureau of Labor and Industries, BOLI, ruled the Kleins had violated a law banning discrimination based on sexual orientation. The BOLI also handed down a $135,000 penalty. The Oregon Court of Appeals ruled against the Kleins, and the Oregon Supreme Court declined to take the case. The state of Oregon drove Melissa and Aaron Klein out of the custom cake business and hit them with a $135,000 penalty, because the Kleins could not in good conscience employ their artistic talents to express a message celebrating a same-sex wedding ritual. First Liberty's petition to the U.